Hi, I'm James, one of the co-founders of LinkedInfluence.io, and in this short video, I'm going to give you a tour of the platform and give you a short and concise tutorial as to how you use the tool to start tracking you, your team, and your competitors' personal profile stats on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First things first, you want to log on to the platform. When you sign up to LinkedInfluence.io, you should be given 20 days free trial to use the platform. You will receive a logon confirmation to your email address, so please make sure you check your inbox, junk, or spam. When you do have access, simply click onto the logon screen on the top right-hand side, and you should have access to the platform. Now, when you log on to LinkedInfluence.io for the first time, you will see that there are lots of stats. We will break down what those stats mean in a minute, but for now, let's whiz across to the left-hand side of the screen where I can show you all the different options you can use to start tracking the key stats of personal profiles on LinkedIn. When you go on to LinkedInfluence.io, you'll see that there is a dashboard icon here. The dashboard icon refers to the companies or collection of profile users which you want to track. So it doesn't really matter whether you track or organize your profiles via companies, job title, or even industries, but your dashboard will be the place where you can see the collective stats of the profiles which you're trying to track. In the example I'm using companies to organize my profile stats. But if you would prefer to use job titles, then you can simply call the accounts or collection of profiles you want to follow anything you want. So how do you do that? So we'll break that down right now. When you want to add a new user to your account, you simply click on the profile screen and copy and paste the profile you would like to have on the platform. So I'll show you now a quick example. If I want to start tracking someone on my LinkedIn or a random person, I'll just choose this individual here. I simply copy and paste the URL and then input this into the profile section here. I then assign this profile to an account. Remember what I said earlier on? An account can be a company, but it can also be any way you want to organize a collection of data. So let's add this account to this name here. And voila, you have a green tick saying that you have successfully added this user to the platform. Now, when you want to see those stats, you simply go back onto your dashboard and view the account which you're trying to follow. And then you'll see all the stats available here. The platform currently allows you to view 4 key metrics, which hopefully will give you a high-level view of how well some profiles are performing on LinkedIn. These stats are reactions, comments, shares, and followers. And you can see below we have identified and broken down these stats into 2 different key areas. The first is a whole company or an account overview. So remember earlier on we were speaking about how you can organize data in collections. Well, here you can see the collective performance of those URLs together. If I want to see an individual, I simply click on that person's name, then I can see the same collection of stats for that individual. This way you can have a really good understanding of how well a certain key account, a team within your organization, or just your personal profile teammates are doing on LinkedIn. You can see posts, reactions, comments, and shares. You can even go back in time to view this data. So it gives you a really good understanding of your baseline LinkedIn performance stats across time. All you need to do to get this data is simply put in a LinkedIn URL and organize those batches of URLs to your accounts. To add an account, you simply click Add Account on the screen and then input the name you want to organize your data and then assign relevant profiles to those key accounts. So it's super easy to use. We're going to be rolling out more features as time goes on. So stick around and hopefully enjoy the insights which you're going to get from using our wonderful tool at LinkedInfluence.io. Speak to you soon.